everybody, it's been a long time since I last uploaded a video, and the reason for that is that I've been out of the country, I've been traveling, seen some exciting things. I've also got some amazing new content that I'm going to show you guys as well. Just trying some new stuff. So I apologize for delay in videos, but hopefully in the next coming weeks it will be worth it. Thank you for bearing with me. So I'm going to start making videos again all about Nikon stuff, and there's some pretty exciting things coming up, so keep an eye out for those. But this is just a very quick video just to say that my normal videos will be resumed. Thank you for being extremely patient. I kind of thought that no one would really notice, but actually that wasn't the case. A couple of people messaged me directly through Instagram. A couple of people commented on my videos saying, hey, when you're going to upload again? We love your stuff, that type of thing, which was great for me to see and kind of encourage me to get back into making videos again once I got back home. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for being patient. And I hope you look forward to the videos that are going to be up in the next couple of days. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.